Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today we're in a beautiful game. That game is Minecraft. And I shall be showing you guys on how you can make a Minecraft house. Okay. I do not know why my game is like this. We're just gonna go to options. FOV is okay. Resource panel. Okay. Where is my shaders? I do not know where the shaders. Alright, found it. I was just gonna turn off the shaders for a bit. Okay. Alright, so we're in an amazing game called Minecraft, and I'll be showing you guys how you can build your house. So you just wanna, just put in a few dirt or whatever you want. Make sure you have a nice roof. Make it 2x3 if you can. By 2x3 I mean just 3 lines high, so that, you can at least go inside. And then you just want to make a roof. You're gonna need wood. After you have wood, I'm in creative mode, so I'm just gonna get myself a door. I'm gonna put this door right here. Put this door right here, and I'll just block off, and that's it. That's a Minecraft house. Honestly, this part is an absolute joke, but you can make a Minecraft house however you want. You can use wood, you can use sand, you can use the dirt, as you've seen me. It's Minecraft at the end of the day. You can build whatever you want. It's Minecraft. It's the best game in the world. So, I hope you found this video funny and helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.